In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Snapchat shortcuts on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat, hit on your profile icon and hit on gear. Now here, scroll down for a bit and hit on Manage in Additional Services. There, hit on Permissions and scroll to the very bottom until you find iOS Shortcuts feature, and here you see Tap to Disable, so now that function is enabled. Hit on Tap to Disable, now you see it calls Tap to Enable, so now iOS Shortcuts are disabled on the Snapchat app. And guys, that's all about how to enable or disable Snapchat shortcuts, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.